Hi guys, Debbie here. Welcome back, or welcome if you're new. Today we're going to be playing with Brushos and our jelly plate. So let's get into it. So first off, I'm just going to spray my jelly plate with some water. Just liberally. And then I'm going to just sprinkle mixed Brushos, whatever I've got out, onto the jelly plate. And see what we come up with. So I've got leaf green. I'm just going to just dab sea green. Oops. Vermilion. No, I'm going to come in with golden yellow. Okie doke. I want to pretty much cover it just to see what we're going to get. I'm going to pull it with cardstock because, like I said, I want to make a card. And we're just going to place over the top, push down. Yes, second, just to soak in, and then pull. There's that one. Right, next I'm not going to spray it as much because it's damp anyway. And I'm going to come in with violet. I might come in with a blue. So I've got the lemon there. Right, so blue. Turquoise. And a lemon. Oops, my labels fell off. Now I want to spritz this from above. Okay, and same again. Like so. I'm not going to push down as hard this time and pull. That one's pretty. Violet and a crimson. So just same again. And spray from above. Grab our card. And pull. That one's quite pretty. Just take the excess off. There's that one. And just because I've still got them out, what I'm just going to quickly try without the gel plate is just on my glass mat. Just see if we can do some smushing. So I've got gamboge. And cobalt blue. That's the last two I've got out. The one that doesn't want to come out. Doesn't want to budge, this one. There we go, it's coming out a little bit. Now this isn't watercolour card, it's just your everyday normal card. Just let's have a quick. That's not too bad. Makes a lovely mess. But hey ho, wouldn't be art if we didn't get messy. Right, let's clean up. Okay, right. So these are cards are not cards yet. These are the backgrounds we've just made. That one was with the ladybug ink just along the edge, but you can't really see it. That one's quite nice. I like that one. Can you see? Once we've done that one. That one's nice. Colours come out of that one. I like that one. So I'll leave that one to one side. And that one was the smooching on the glass mat. I'm not overly struck on that one, but we'll keep it and see what we can come up with. Right, now I'm gonna make a card with one of these, and I'm not sure which one at the moment. I'm just going to trim it down. Okay, so I've trimmed them down to 5 1/4 by 4. I've got my stamp wheel out. I got some new stamps from Poppy Craft Online, which were delivered the other day and they've not been used yet, so I'm going to have a play with those. Okay, so we're going to go with the pink. I've got some stamps. I'll show you them in a second. I got out the dandelions. But I quite like this set as well, so I'm going to have a play with these ones, I think. Now these are all new, as I said. Hence, still in plastic bags and not in folders. So, I like that one. And that one. I quite like that sentiment as well, so I'm going to get it out and make sure it fits before I go any further. Little butterflies. Maybe that one. Let's just see if we can just stamp it off the page. Let's pick those up. Without moving them, Debbie. Right. That one's going to be a pain. I can see it coming, but we'll work with it. Now, what colour? I was going to do black, but I quite like the idea of the white. Oh, I might go with the opaque bright white super fine, and we'll heat emboss. So let's get our Versamark on my anti-static. Just move these out of the way. I'm getting all mumble jumbled. Because this has been soaked, I'm covering the whole lot just to make sure, because I don't want the the embossing powder to stick where I don't want it. Right, now let's put our some mark down. Now these are brand new stamps, so I may have to stamp them twice, we'll see. Oh no, nearly. You didn't tell me, did you? That's why I put my dot there and I still did it. Now for our opaque bright white. I normally hate working with the white because I can never get it. White and black just do not agree with me. We'll see what happens. I'm just going to grab a little brush and just get rid of any specks I don't want. Okay guys, I'm just going to heat this up, set it, and I'll be back. Microfiber rag just to buff it off, and same with the card while I remember. Right, there's that, there's that. Now, the fun bit. As I said, I'm no good at this, so how it turns out, it turns out. Who enjoys fussy cutting? I know a lot of people do, but I hate it. I've watched videos and how to do it, and they say move the scissors and don't move the scissors, move the paper. But it just doesn't work for me. Just doesn't. But it is what it is. Right, next I'm just gonna grab a little roundy tool. I'm just gonna go round it just so it doesn't look that it's been cut with a pair of scissors as much. Right, that's better. There we go, that didn't turn out too bad for a mistake. Right, I'm just going to choose some card for our layer. So what I've decided is to do a black base, a white layer on the card, and then a white layer for inside. So we're gonna get this all taped down. Got these little starry ones, little iridescents. We could I think that might be quite nice. And there you have it, guys. Beautiful card. Made with your Brushos. What do you reckon? I think it turned out lovely. Right, that's it from me for today. Don't forget, give us a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and leave comments below. What would you have done different? Do you like the colours I chose, or would you have chose something different? And don't forget, guys, come and join us on our Facebook group, DD Cards. We'd love to see you. Alright, guys, take care. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.